Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to remove background in Pixlr 2024. So today I'll be showing you how to remove a background in Pixlr today in the latest update of Pixlr. So today I'll be showing how to remove the background. To remove the background, first thing you need to do is go to the left side corner, and as you can see, you will see a one select and click on one select. Once you are here, you click on one select, adjust the tolerance. So I've tested this and the best tolerance for it is 140. So when I click the white stuff and click delete, you can see there's no more white. There's only the apple here. So let's undo it and let's try it with a low tolerance. When it has a low tolerance, it will not usually do the work. For example, right here, let's try it. There we go. Then delete. You can see there's still white stuff. But if you want the white stuff to stay there, it's fine. And if you want to manually remove it like this, just click that and then delete. You can do that. But for me, the best option you need to do is by increasing its tolerance. So you see right now, I'm going to increase the tolerance. The best tolerance that I've seen or tested here with the Apple is 140. But it depends on which kind of picture or image you're using. So right now, the best for the Apple to remove all the background white is a tolerance of 140. So there you go, guys. Now that's how you remove a background image. I hope you guys liked the video and hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.